Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about the error of spill. So why this error is happening in Excel? Let me explain with practical example. Here I have some data in column A. In column B I am writing filter function. I am considering column A's data as array. Coming to include functional argument, here I am mentioning apple. Here application returned output, we can find it returned apple 3 times, means apple exists 3 times in the array. Now I am copying the same formula and pasting in the cell of C2. Here we can find application returned spill error. So why it is happened? It is happened due to inadequate cells to paste the output array. Here we have apple 3 times, means application has to paste the output array from C2 to C4. But we have empty cell up to C3 only. From the C4 onwards we have data. Hence, due to inadequate space, it returned error. Whenever we place the cursor on the formula cell, here application returns blue color dot line up to what extent it is going to paste the output. Here we can find it returned blue color dotted line up to C4. Now I am going to add one more apple to the input array. Here we can find application returned blue color dotted line from C2 to C5. Now I am deleting existing data in the cells of C4 and C5. We can find application returned the output. So we can avoid this error by providing the sufficient empty cell range to paste the output array. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.